Hi everybody! Welcome to a new episode of Juan and Ellie in the kitchen. Today we're going to make a strawberry milkshake inspired by, drumroll please, our special guest, Rocky! The milkshake will look just like our rainbow corn sweet shake surprise. The bottom part is pink, so we will make a strawberry milkshake. The top will be white whipped cream. And we will add colorful star sprinkles, just like Rocky. Of course, let's not forget about the glittery silver horn made with fondant. The three ingredients are remove the leaves and cut the strawberries in half. Grab your blender. Wait! I have an idea.
Wow!
Ta-da! Add the strawberries. Half a cup of milk and 1 cup of vanilla ice cream. Time to blend. Ellie's so cute. Yummy! Use white fondant to make the horn. And spray with edible silver glitter. It's sprinkle time! Every day it's a sprinkle party! Here's the final result. So adorable! So good, guys! So delicious! I hope you enjoyed my video. Don't forget to subscribe, and I'll see you next time. Bye, everybody!